welcome to my channel. This is my second time doing a review video for this company, and I love this hair. I love the quality of the lace. I love the quality of the hair, and for the price, you can't beat it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve crimps, and in order to achieve crimps, you have to spray some type of holding spray or spritz on the hair before you put the heat on the hair. If you do the crimps without adding any holding spray, it'll look like you did nothing to the hair basically. Follow along with me if you want these results that I'm showing you guys on my channel. Feel free to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment at the end of this video. You can buy one of these irons from Walmart, CVS, TJ Maxx, Amazon, anywhere basically. This wasn't expensive at all, and it's very easy to use. The only thing that I can say is these things get really hot, so be careful not to touch the silver part. This is the brand that I'm using. I believe it was about $29, I want to say, about $27 to $29. I can't remember the exact price, but I've been wanting one of these for a while, and I finally have one. So what you're going to do is just follow these same steps around the whole complete wig. And once you finish, you're going to move on to your styling process. Today I'm going to be adding some pink highlights, but they're temporary. You can wash them out as soon as you're done with it. I'm just going to do pink to represent Breast Cancer Month. And also to show you this new product that I seen that I wanted to try out. These are the results, but not so fast. Stay tuned and watch me complete this look. The crimps are finished, and now we're going to move on to doing the pink temporary highlights that I told you about. I brought this spray from the hair coloring section at the store, and I believe this can was maybe like $7 or $8, and it's pretty pigmented. It goes the same way that a regular hair dye would be. The darker the hair, the darker they will show up. But the lighter the hair, the more vibrant the color would be. But the color still showed up pretty vibrant for this hair to be a dark brown color. It has instructions on the back, but it's pretty easy to use. It's just like spray paint for hair. Once you put your wig on, you're just going to proceed with cutting the lace off. I'm going to use the Gots to Be gel to lay the very front of my wig. Although this wig fits very snug, if you want your wig to lay super flat in the front, you can use some gel or you can use the spray. This look is now complete. You're just going to get a wide tooth comb and comb out the waves just a little bit as you desire them to look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and buy one of these irons, follow my steps, and see you next time.